so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, look at what I got. A garbage truck toy. A real garbage truck? Are you ready to learn about garbage trucks and recycling today? Yeah, let's go. Now, let's learn some of the parts of the garbage truck. Come on. First things first, the cab. Woo! Look at who it is. It's Tony. Hey, Tony. Hi, kids. Ooh! The cab is where the garbage truck driver sits and steers the garbage truck. Whoa! It's so high, though. How do they get up there? Let me show you. Come on. These are the steps. That's so fun. I love garbage trucks. Whoa! Look at right here. You know what this is. It's a fire extinguisher, just in case if there's any fire near or on the garbage truck. Garbage trucks are really safe. You'll soon learn that, because let me teach you. Here's some more safety features of the garbage truck. Look. Do you know what these are? They're tire chains, just in case if the road gets really icy and slippery, you wrap them around the tires so then the garbage truck can drive straight and not slip and slide. Oh, look, reflective tape. This is for light to hit and bounce off and make the truck really bright at night. Garbage trucks are so safe. Oh, look, a spill kit, another safety feature. This yellow bag contains absorbent pads just in case if there's any ewy and icky things on the ground that you can't scoop or broom up into the garbage truck. So you use the spill kit. Oh, come back here. I have something really cool to show you.
Oh, whoa, hurry, come here. Look.
Airbags! Watch this! Whoa! Did you see that? The garbage truck just lowered because of those airbags. And you use those airbags right before you dump. And look, this is how you dump the recycled goods out of the garbage truck. This opens up because these hydraulic cylinders push the back door really open and then it dumps all the compressed goods out of it. But first, we need some stuff in it. How do you get it in there? The coolest part, let me show you. Come on.
Hurry, come here.
Watch this. This is the grabber arm. It goes, it's like a claw. It grabs the can, pulls it in, brings it up, and dumps it into the hopper. Oh, look, the hopper up there. And then it gets pushed into the compression body right here, and it gets compressed really tight, and then it gets dumped out the back like I said. Wow, I love garbage trucks. know the parts of a garbage truck and how it works, let's learn about the differences between garbage and recycling. Garbage, you only can use once and then you throw it away. Stuff like kitty litter, bubble gum, or even like a dirty diaper. P.U. Yeah. You only use that stuff once and then you throw it away. But recycling, you can use it many times because it might get melted down or just processed back into the original product or something similar made out of the same material. And if it can, it's recyclable. Let me show you some of the things that I brought from home to recycle today. Oh, look, a milk jug. That's plastic. You can recycle plastic. And then a tin can. Oh. An aluminum can. Ooh, plastic bags. Oh, a spray bottle. That's plastic. Ooh, a glass bottle. And even a cardboard box. All those things you can recycle. Now that we know the difference between garbage and recyclable goods, let's visit a recycling facility and sort out some recyclable goods. We're at the recycling facility. First, we need our safety equipment on before we go inside. Okay, here we go. Bright vest, bright hard hat, and safety glasses, and suspenders. Now that we have all the recyclable materials out of the truck, now we get to sort it. This is gonna be fun. All the recycled materials come up the conveyor belt and then they need to be sorted because there's so many different kinds, like paper, plastic, cardboard, aluminum, tin. There's so many. Here, let's go sort some. All of the recyclable goods travel down these conveyor belts. Workers sort them out by the different types of materials. And once it gets sorted out to one type of material, like this cardboard, it then gets crushed and compact into this tight log of one material. Then a forklift comes up, picks it up, and transports it to a different part of the warehouse. And when the material is ready to be transported onto the back of a semi to go somewhere else to be recycled, a forklift loads it into the back of a semi. That was so much fun seeing inside a real recycling facility. Now, let me turn up those tunes so we can dance to and sing my garbage truck song.
Garbage trucks, garbage trucks, driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks. Sometimes when I wake up early in the morning, I hear a monstrous sound. I look out the window and there's a garbage truck picking cans up off the ground. It empties the can and puts it back down, then drives away so loud. Garbage trucks, garbage trucks, driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks. The garbage man drives up in the garbage truck and picks that garbage up. He dumps it in the back so that it can be crushed. Then he drives off to the dump. He backs up to a pile of all the trash from the town and dumps the whole thing out. Garbage trucks, garbage trucks, driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks. They come in many colors. Some are blue, some are brown, and some are green. And wouldn't you know it, there are some that can pick up recycling. Yeah, garbage trucks, garbage trucks, driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks, garbage trucks, garbage trucks, driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks.
Jeez Louise, this video had a lot of great information. Today we learned about garbage trucks, recycling trucks, and recycling. If you liked this video and you want to watch more of my videos, all you gotta do is search for my name. Do you know my name? Yeah, it's Blippi. Let's spell it together. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, that's my name. Good job. All right, see you soon. Bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!